My name is Mark Cecil. I'm in charge of engineering at Big Slack Off-Road, and we're here at Overland Expo West to talk a little bit about one of our wagon trailers. This is called the Slack Wagon. Many of you have seen it as a previous variant, as a bright yellow one we had here in years past. Based upon customer feedback, we've adjusted the dimensions on it some. So this is a 6.5 foot long wagon-based trailer. It's a 48.5 inches wide on the inside, so you got some space to fit small quads or plywood if you want to. This one's shown with a elaborate rack system on top of it. So as shown right now, it weighs about 1,500 pounds. It carries about 1,500 pounds of payload for a gross vehicle weight of 3,000 pounds. It has timber and axle suspension on it, and it has brakes on the axles as a standard. So you can buy this whole thing as a base model from rack down, starting at $6,000. It holds 2,000 pounds of payload at that. On the inside here, we have Trex flooring. That's one of the options in it. That gives you an anti-rot flooring that you can drill and screw things to. The premise behind this whole trailer was that we want to give you a good foundation to build your own system up if you want. Of course, we'd love to sell you accessories that we have already made, but if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to use these stake pockets to make your own rack or make a ladder rack, you can certainly do that. This is also a multi-purpose trailer. It's not restricted to just overlanding. So the trailer itself can be used at home to run to the hardware store, or if you're hauling stuff around a farm, if you want to move water tanks or whatnot, you have the capacity to do that. So just kind of a recap, we have a 2-inch tube frame underneath a steel body. This is all steel construction. These are our bat wing door options here. You can close it up, and we add all these pickup points on the outside so that you can bolt things on yourself. In fact, we say you can bolt 20 to 30 pounds to these bat wing doors. This is a new rack system we've made for it. You can bolt your rooftop tent to it. And you also have a basket in the top, so between your rooftop tent, you can put chairs or small things like that. You have some space between the tent and that of about 10 inches. These are stand-on fenders, stand-on, walk-on, set things on. If you'd like to get some more information on it, including an accessory list and more specifications, please visit our website at www.bigslackoffroad.com.